So, you're thinking about becoming a life coach, but you don't exactly know what a life coach is. Well, then this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers go out there and create and generate their first 10K paydays, or first or next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing businesses, where they go out there and they generate $10,000 plus months for their life coach and healing businesses in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be answering the question, what is a life coach? I think a lot of people get confused when that question comes up because it's a big answer. But how do we actually define what a life coach is, and how do we define how a life coach is going to get paid? In this video, we're going to be going over those two things and exactly how you can become a life coach who gets paid very quickly. Without any further ado, let's go on into the training. Hi, I'm a life coach. And as simple as that question is, a lot of people, that's a very loaded question. And you start becoming a life coach and you start walking toward becoming a life coach, where you are becoming a coach where you want to help people reach goals and solve problems in their life. We want to start with the 3 core markets. Now, our goal in this specific training, in this specific video, is to identify and choose, right, the core marketplace that we want to serve. So, before we get rocking and rolling, I kind of want to show you specifically where we are at within the Life Coach Launch system. So if you look at this Life Coach Launch map and then you zoom in down there at the bottom, you'll have a copy of this Life Coach Launch map down here below in this training, a PDF of it. But if you want to take a look at this Life Coach Launch map and you zoom in right above the welcome gate, you are going to see there an identification island, 3 pavilions. The first pavilion there is what we classify as who, and this is because we are looking to identify who it is that we as life coaches are wanting to go out there and help. What solution can we provide, right, to them? But first, we want to make sure that we know who it is that we're looking to help. It's very important that we identify who it is that we are looking to help, because a lot of life coaches, they kind of skim through this piece. They really don't break down the specific psychological, the mental, right, the physiological, the physical, where these people hang out, where they can be around them, and how they can really step into the energy, right, of being the person that these people who need this specific problem, this specific help, right, are going to look to. So I want to make sure while you're going through this training that you work through the worksheets and you specifically are looking to identify specific emotions, looking to identify where these people hang out, and specifically as we're going through this, look to specifically know your who it is that you are looking to help extremely well. So let's get back into the training. All right, so let's go into the 3 core markets. So as we're going into the 3 core markets, let me first explain to you what a market is, right? So a market is sort of going to be like this. This is actually, if you think, this is a farmer's market in my hometown that we call Corte. And basically it takes up the entire town. But just as kind of a visual, I wanted to give you all what a market is, right? A marketplace is. So ultimately, right, what a marketplace is going to be a place where people come to, right? I think a lot of times people are going to make a marketplace like a who, like a specific person. And a marketplace is not a specific person, whereas it's a place that specific people come to find help. And there's going to be 3 specific markets that you're going to focus on, right, as a life coach. And those 3 specific markets that you're specifically going to focus on are going to be health, wealth, and relationships. All right, so now that we know the specific 3 core marketplaces, health, wealth, and relationships, that we are wanting to go out there as a life coach and want to help, what we want to do is we want to identify specifically, right, which type of life coach are we? what are we looking to do? What type are we looking to do? So I want to go down and I want to break down, right, these 3 marketplaces a little bit more for you in this training. So what we're going to do is the first marketplace we're going to go over is health. So when you're looking at health, you're going to be looking at helping somebody in regards to their health. Now, it's going to be a lot more than just helping them lose weight or helping them feel better around losing weight or something like that, right? There's so many places that you can go inside health. It can be in regards to how you feel about health, how maybe they treat other people about their health, right? It could be around nutrition. It could be around weightlifting. It could be around it could be around simply walking. It could be around weight loss. It could be around keto. It could be around, a certain type of eating style. It could be around, specific hardcore exercising. It could be around mountain biking. It could be around spinning. It could be, around, ultra weight, bodybuilding and weightlifting. There's so many different types of niches or places that you could get involved with, or what we classify as submarkets. And we're going to be talking about that here very shortly. But it's, basically, there's so many different routes that you can go in regards to health, wealth, or relationships. So I really want you to identify specifically, right, which one of these, 3 core marketplaces are you wanting to serve. So we already went over health. Okay, wealth is obviously going to have anything to do around money, around the energy of money, around helping people when it comes to becoming wealthy, gaining money, attracting money, how they feel around money, or anything that has to do with wealth or financial goals that they might have. It's also the last and certainly not least, and there are so many amazing niches and amazing life coaches that fall right into this piece, and that's the last core market of relationships. And relationships is going to be where you can branch off into relationships with your person that you're helping with themselves, or the relationships that they might have with other people. This also falls within regards to relationships that they have with, their children, their spouse, right? Their brothers, their family, whatever it might be. But relationships is a huge marketplace. There's tons of opportunity in it. And there's so much opportunity for you, right? And for any life coach to go into relationships and definitely make a massive impact. So now that we know a little bit more around these 3 core markets, right? I got a question for you. So, I have a question for you. What life coach are you? Which one of the 3 core markets, right, do you want to help and serve? Are you a life coach looking to sign up clients consistently? Well, I just came out with a brand new guide that goes over the exact life coach launch system that I mentioned here in this video. That's a 3-step selling system where life coaches are going out every single week and signing up new clients with profitable presentations. So you can just click on that link down there in the description and you can grab this free, right, 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today and hope you choose to win by going down there and clicking on that free link down there below so you can grab your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide. We'll see you in the next video.